Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. Today we will learn raindrops for class 2. Colors. The sky is blue, the grass is green, the rose is red, isn't that true? Lemon is yellow, orange is orange, wood is brown, don't you know? Milk is white, tar is black. Mix them up, and what have you? Blue, green, red, brown, yellow, orange, black, white. How many colors do you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If to this you add grey, 9 colors now you know. Let's try this. Write the names of 3 colors other than those given in the lesson. इस पोएम में जितने भी कलर्स दिए हैं उनके अलावा आपको यहाँ पे कलर लिखने हैं. Find 6 colors in the grind given below. One has been done for you. इस ग्राइंड में से आपको 6 कलर निकालने हैं. एक बनाया हुआ है जैसे ब्लू एंड वाइट एंड ब्राउन and grey, green, red. Match the colors with objects. One has been done for you. Colors के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट को मिलाना है. जैसे लीव्स ग्रीन होते हैं, लीव्स ग्रीन. रेड क्या होता है? एप्पल. ऑरेंज, ऑरेंज. स्काई, ब्लू. सनफ्लावर्स, येलो. Answer the questions given below. One has been done for you. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a bird. ये एक चिड़िया है, पक्षी है. What is this? This is orange. What is this? This is a tree. What is this? This is a apple. What is this? This is a flower. Complete the sentence. What is blue? Blue यानी नीला क्या क्या होता है? Sky is blue. और भी आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. What is green? Leaves are green. What is white? Paper is white. What is black? Night is black. और भी आप एग्जाम्पल लिख सकते हो. Look at the pictures and solve the following riddles. Riddles यानी पहेलियां को हमें सॉल्व करना है. I'm an animal. I have 4 legs. I eat grass. I give milk. My name begins with C. Cow. I live in water. I can swim. My name begins with F. Fish. I'm an animal. I have 4 legs. I eat grass. I run very fast. My name begins with H. Horse. I am an animal. I am small. I squeak. My name begins with R. Rat. Fill in the blanks with is or are. Is एक के लिए यूज होता है, are एक से अधिक के लिए यूज होता है. Singular and plural. My bicycle is red. These flowers are yellow. This ball is blue. His shirt is white. Those apples are green. The rainbow is colorful. Please subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.